Hey, good morning. Good morning. We are live. Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Futures engineer Diego, R5 Studios, S Timbo. Good morning, DL. 845, 867. I always like to check if we have similar levels. Yeah, I agree. Yep. All right. Hey, Daryl Bapty, good morning. Also, just good morning. Cheers from Tucson. Let's go Italy. From Italy. Here it's 3:30 p.m. Wow, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate that. NP. I got the clock already. Thank you. Dean Bishop. UCLA Trades. Cly, good morning. Benson, Cremator. Levi, good morning. Clarity. Hubert. Michael, Aran, good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Let's get it. Let's have a good day. We are already off to a great start at a great overnight session again on my Tradify accounts. I'm only trading my Tradify accounts in the overnight sessions, and I mean, yeah, I love it. Most of what I caught was this move right here. I think I got in somewhere around the 850s, took some off here at the double top, and I think I got stopped out on my runner like right here somewhere. But yeah, very happy with the overnight session. And we are done. We are done trading the Tradify accounts. So we are back to trading our Apex accounts during the day. Now, it's kind of interesting because I've been trading my Apex accounts during the day, trading my Tradify accounts at night or in the overnight session, and you can tell I'm about $1,400 ahead on my Tradify accounts because, yeah, we're just trading better in the overnight. It's just, I mean, I gotta say, the overnight sessions, the price action, it just seems a lot cleaner. The moves don't seem as volatile. The pullbacks are just more in rhythm. And yeah, just weird. I don't know. Kind of. I love it. I'm going to keep doing it until, yeah. I assume at some point the volatility is probably going to die off here in the overnight sessions. But hey, if it works, it works. Hey, thank you, Amelia Stitcher. Stitcher, good morning. R5 Studios. Neil, good morning. Good to see you. Matt, good morning. Good to see you. Why are you taking Tradify trades off stream? I need something to follow. I've actually thought about trading in the overnight sessions, but honestly, a lot of those trades, I am in those trades for like an hour or more, and I don't know, probably would get kind of boring, but hey, yeah, actually, that's not a bad. Actually, that's kind of true, S. Maybe the key is to trade when Trump is sleeping. Then we don't need to worry about a tweet. Need to do night streaming. I thought about it, yeah. All right, market is open. Here we go. Hold on, boys. Could get volatile. We had the news this morning. Big spike higher at the news, and then a just immediate rip lower. So kind of curious what we do here at the open. Let's be patient. Let's wait and see. Why not trading my 50Ks? Astro Boy Ken. I honestly, right now, I'm just not trading my 50Ks. I'm focusing on the 150s just because I have them that close to a payout. So I'm just focusing on that. And I will be trading the 50Ks once I request a payout on my 150s. So all right, making them push higher. Let's see if we can get up above that 930 area. We do have some resistance here at the 900s. Let's see if we push through. I'm going to switch to the 1 minute time frame here. I will take a long setup here on the 3-minute strategy, so let's prepare for that. Just getting a push right up through the 910s, through the 900s. Wow, what a nice, that's a nice move here at the open. Wow. This is always where I don't know about chasing. I feel like I'm chasing a little bit if I jump in now. Okay, I need to decide what I'm going to do here. This is where I don't like to buy. Right here at prior resistance. You know, the chance that we pull back here is pretty high, but man, I'm going to wait. I am not going to enter all the way up here at the highs. Just, I don't think it's a good idea. It's a very nice rip here at the open. Hopefully some of you guys caught it. Very nice move. All right, now testing the 950s. What a nice rip at the open. If you played that open, I mean, congratulations. That's a nice move. All right, my next area of resistance I have right here at the 960s. Now we just wait. Can't be. I'm not going to be chasing this, even though it's tempting, very tempting. You did on the sim? Oh, Carolina, I hear you, man. That's where I don't. I mean, I feel like there's a pullback that is going to be coming. So I don't want to be trapped in that pullback. Let's see what happens. Here we go. We might be getting that pullback here. I will jump in if we get a little bit of a pullback. I'll jump in. We've seen. Wait, what? We've seen a lot of at the open recently. At the open, we've seen a lot of moves higher at the open recently. Okay, getting that pullback now. This is where let's just be patient here. Right back to that 3-minute opening candle. This is where you got to be careful. These pullbacks are usually bigger pullbacks than what you expect. Man, oh man, is that, ay, ay, ay. I'm just not gonna buy, right? I'm not gonna buy heading right into this 960 resistance. That's one of my rules that I'm not gonna keep doing. I've done that in the past and really gotten destroyed. So we chilling. We're just gonna wait. But man, what a rip this is. Oh, feel like I'm missing out because I am. Man, oh man. I did. I mean, I did. There was a little bit of an opportunity right there to buy right there at the 930s, but it's also, I don't know. I was expecting a little bit deeper pullback, but we might not get that. Lately in the morning, it seems like the market just goes up in the morning, and it goes down in the afternoon. Like, I'm not kidding. I should go back and see like how often that has happened where we go up in the morning and we go back down in the afternoon. Or at least we fade the move in the afternoon session. It's hard. It's hard not to chase it. Job report wasn't great. The market doesn't care. Yeah, exactly. Good morning, Jenna. Timbo, good morning. ABC, good morning. Design Knob in the building. Good morning, Design Knob. Black Coffee Trader in the building. Good morning. George Bloom, good morning. Goan Trades, good morning. All right, we're getting a pullback again here. Now, this is, I am going to be patient. We're a long way away from the EMA. Yesterday, I took a very, very similar trade right here, and we continue to roll over, got stopped out. Of course, today I'll probably not take it, and now it'll go. But we're just going to wait here a little bit. Be patient. Shoot. Hang on, guys. I got to take this call. All right, sorry about that. We're back. That could not wait. We had to do it. All right, refocus here. Let's see. We do have. This is an interesting area here. We're consolidating, which is what I want to see. But we keep failing. This is what I mean when my new rules are when we're heading into these area of resistance, like right here at the 950, 960s. Don't take a trade. Just don't do it. So I'm not going to take a trade here until we need to break above that 960s, close above it, then look for a pullback, or we make a bigger pullback here. But as long as we stay above, like honestly, as long as we stay above the 880s, I still like a long. So if we pull back down through the 880s here, maybe we can get a long setup, but right now I just want to wait till we clear this 960s before I jump in. Yeah, Dean Bishop, agreed. Honestly, pretty happy that I didn't take that 3-minute trade, even though I mean it would have been a minimal win, but this is just kind of confirmation about when we do make a big move if we make a big move before the 3-minute trade, then it's less likely, especially if it's a really big move. Usually we kind of get exhausted then, and the 3-minute does not produce as well. But we shall wait and see. Let's see if we can get, are we going to get above this 960s? May I know why you're not trading your 50K Apex account, Sadist? Man, I keep getting that. People ask that question a lot lately. I'm just focusing on the 150Ks because they're really close to a payout. So I'm basically just trying not to be distracted. I will trade those accounts. But right now, my plan is focus on the 150s, get the 150s to a payout, and then once I request a payout, then while I'm waiting for it to be approved, hopefully, or denied, while I'm waiting, then I will switch and be trading my 50Ks. The other reason, I haven't really shared this, but I don't think this is valid anymore, but back when I was really struggling with my trading a couple weeks ago, I purposely didn't trade those because there is a different strategy that I have been kind of on the fence with, giving it a try. So I was going to try and potentially trade a different strategy on those 50K accounts. But I am trading a lot better recently. So we'll see. All right, let's see. Here we go. Can she go? Can we break above? Nope. We're trying, but geez, once again, failing. Just keep bumping our head at that 960 level. Can't seem to get above it. That's pretty crazy. Shameless new highs coming. No trade so far. Boring market today. Yeah, if you didn't catch that opening push higher, that opening push higher was really nice. But if you didn't catch it, then yeah. Is there any sale for Valentine's in Apex? Dan Taloy, Dan, I don't know. We can only hope. I wouldn't be surprised if there is a sale for a Valentine's Day sale, but hey, we'll wait and see. News in 5 minutes? What? I didn't have any news. There can't be any major news. Oh, okay. There is consumer sentiment news at 10. So maybe it might move the market though. Yeah, it could. It's an orange folder news event. All right. Bigger pullback happening. Again, if we get a bigger pullback down into this 900 area, I kind of want to see that, to be honest. If we can get a pullback into this 900 area, a little bit of an overextended pullback, as long as we hold the VWAP, stay above the VWAP, stay above this opening, maybe we get a buying opportunity there. But we are currently trading in a range from the 930s to the 960s. There's no need to be dabbling in the middle here. All right, here we go. Bigger move lower now. $22,000 has 174 contracts sitting there, but if we lose our, yeah. I mean, it does seem like a magnet to try to test and take out the 22,000 level, but we got to get above that 960 first. Oh, excuse me. Is YM being shameless? I don't doubt it. All right, let's see if we continue to roll over, maybe take out the 900s here. Just got to lock out my account. Had to go to help desk for support. I know my account will be blown now. Really? Alicia Williams? What happened? If I get long, I won't be targeting 22,000 though. Just the high a day so far. Yeah, that's a good idea. A good idea. Hey, good morning, Sharuz. Good to see you. I'm unstoppable. Good morning. Okay, yeah, that's weird. All right, here we go. Down through the 900s. This is kind of what I was talking about, but we got to hold here. This has to hold. If it doesn't, then we got problems. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see if we get a bounce off of that 900 level. I want to be careful here. I'm not going to just blindly be buying here. I do want to see a good entry signal here. Are we going to hold? Is this 900 going to hold? All right, we're going to, if we get a move above the 900s here, above that 908, actually, I'm going to make it above 910. Then we're going to jump in here. Need the buyers. Whoa. Okay, never mind. Let's get out of that one. Whoa, there must be some kind of news. What's going on? Oh, wait, was that the 10? Oh my gosh, yeah, that was the 10 o'clock news. Hold it, that was a crazy move. That was definitely not an orange folder news event. Wow. Man, am I glad that I did not get tagged in there. That was a little bit of a miss. That was a yikes. Oh, man. Now the question is, do we buy the dip? Do we buy the dip? What a crazy, that was a crazy news event. Wow. I mean, that was crazy. That was cray cray. Yeah, that was a crazy rip lower. I was just plotting my long in trading view. I was too, man. I feel very, very fortunate. You know how on a news event sometimes it'll just wick higher and then make the move? I am very, very fortunate that that was not the case this time, because that was brutal. That was brutal. Now I feel like, I mean, we got to look at shorts at this point. I was long to MNQ, and did I get spanked? Sorry, Dave Mack. I did not expect that. I mean, that was an orange folder news event. I thought we'd see a little blip, maybe. I mean, there had to be some kind of major surprising news. Yeah, Neil, you did. I wasn't watching chat. Man, oh man, I feel very, very fortunate. Very, very lucky that shoot, hang on. Sorry. I got too much going on this morning. We have more family coming down actually today. So should be interesting. Should be awesome. Should be fun. It's going to be fun. 50, 60. Wow. I'm about to just jump on this train lower. This is looking like, I mean, this is a move from the 960s down to the 200-point move lower now. She's looking very, very bearish. At this point, just need to see a little bit of a move. I want to see a little bit of a consolidation, and then if we roll over, we jump in. Man, I still can't believe how much that dropped. Okay, getting a move higher now. Is this going to be a V-shaped move or not? This is where I get scared. This is where I get scared because is it going to be a V-shaped move or are we all full-on bearish mode today? It's a crazy move lower. Gotta expect we get a bounce, but how much of a bounce will it be? I'm gonna, as long as I'm gonna look for a short anywhere below. Maybe we test the 800s here. You gotta be kidding me. It did it. It trapped. I fell for it. Dang it. All right, just hold. We might be okay. I need to remember this is a bad trade. Bad, bad, bad. I hate this. Man, that was so bad. Man. This is not good. Man, it's so frustrating. The longer it consolidates here, the more I do like my short, so I think we're okay. I think maybe. Come on, can you just tank? Just tank it. Give me a big red candle here. You can do it. I mean, honestly, like, this is what I hate. I mean, my size is a little bit too big here for the volatility that we might have to endure. Come on, right here. Do it. Big rip lower. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Give me the cliff. Come on, dump it. Dump it. Gosh, I hate this. Gonna try to just hold. We're gonna try to hold through this. Ugh. Crash down below this. Come on. Give me the 700s. That's what I want. Give me the 700s. Do it. Like to see this happening a little bit faster. All right, I'm gonna take another one off right here at the double bottom. Okay, there we go. Give me the 700s. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Let's go. That was rough. That was rough. Not gonna lie. That was rough, but we did it. We did it. Whoo! Got my heart beating hard. Man, I thought I got faked out. I thought I got trapped, but thankfully when we started consolidating here, I felt a lot better about it. I felt pretty good about it once we started consolidating. And whoo, that was a hard hold. Oh, that was so hard. Especially like as you get closer to a payout, man, it starts to hurt. It's just harder to hold those trades, man. I was so close to just taking, like, I was this close. I was this close to closing the trade. Oh my gosh, I'm glad I didn't. Okay, now, I mean, this looks like we are a full-on bear mode today. Hey, let's go, Orlando. John, good morning. Yep, short is the new long, at least for today. I don't care. Hey, Golf Guy Mike, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Let's go. That was nerve-wracking. I'm not gonna lie. I thought they got me. I thought they got me. If I'm honest, okay, let's reevaluate that trade. We need to reevaluate and learn from our mistakes. So, one thing, when we have these big sell-offs and we have a big move higher, and then we make this dip down below on the first candle, I need to stop taking that first dip. Like, we need at least one consolidation candle here on the 2-minute before we take this trade. That is, I think that is so key when the volatility is higher, because what happens, this traps longs, and obviously it didn't do it this time, but I have done it in the past where we do this move, we make a red candle here, we dip down below the body here, I get filled, and then it just rips straight back up. It traps all the longs or the shorts. So mental note, I gotta wait, I gotta be patient and allow it to consolidate a little bit. Because once it starts consolidating, then I do feel way better about a short entry. Like, basically my short entry should have been like the 775s. That should have been my short entry. My stop I wouldn't have had to sit through that kind of drawdown. Would have just been a lot cleaner trade, but we'll take it. We'll take it. You know how they say, don't look a gift horse in the mouth, but oh my gosh, I'm on the 1 minute chart. Oh my gosh, I'm such an idiot. Okay, guys, I need to start having like training wheels for my trading because, yeah, that changes everything. I can't believe I was on the 1 minute chart. What an idiot. What an idiot. Yeah, that wouldn't even have been an entry. We would have, like, this here would have been the entry 778s right there. Boom. Problem solved. Anyway, whatever. I mean, geez, what was I thinking? Okay, now we're on the 2 minute. I'm so dumb. I need help, man. I need help. Need one more day of $50 to request a payout? Let's go, Kid Poker. You got this. Oh, no way, Design Knob. No way. At the 685s? You kidding me? All right, I want to see some consolidation here. Let's just be patient now. Let's be patient. Oh, drawing out the bear flag. I mean, but okay, if I'm looking at the 2 minute chart, I don't actually draw the line, but visually, like basically it's the break of this candle, like basically breaking below this 766s, which is, yeah, I would have broken that. But here, I want to see some consolidation now. And we will get short again. I'm a little bit concerned right here. Also, let's look at the 15-minute chart. So the 15-minute chart looks like this now. So we do have some area, like, I'm not sure I want to be shorting into the 685s here. I could definitely see that we find some support here at the 685s. Maybe we go pump higher into the 766s again. I could see us go back up, test this 760 area, and then maybe we make a move lower. For now, we chilling. We are not going to force the issue at this point. Man, I still can't believe how much this ripped lower. Oh, it almost gave me a heart attack. It almost gave me a heart attack because we had an order sitting. We literally had an open order sitting like 5 points above that before it ripped lower. Ay. Whoo, sometimes fate is on your side, I guess. We got pretty lucky that we did not get wicked in on that rip lower. Anyway, we'll take it. If you draw, yes, smoke screen design, you're right. I can't even tell you how many times it has happened, Design Knob. Yeah, I know. I hear you, man. It's not right. It ain't right what they do to us. Wow. Very, very crazy market that we have going on here today. Wow, there it goes, popping above that 740s. Man, hang on, boys. Today's gonna be wild. Gonna be a wild one today. All right, we cannot trade with this. We need to trade with this. All right, here we go. All right, if we start to consolidate here, I will take this short trade, but I'm not going to jump in on this first red candle. Why I stopped using stops, I just can't. I would rather blow the account, Timbo. Oh, no. I think the low rip will start next week. Okay. You think we're going higher? Okay, we could. VWAP all the way up here, the 847s. I think honestly, this kind of action, this kind of price, this looks to me, and this looks to me like we got a bigger move lower coming. I think we're going to be making I wouldn't be surprised if we see the 600s today. I would not be surprised if we see the 600s today. So, but try not to be too biased. Let's just watch the market, trade what we see. Clearly, you've never heard of a V. I have heard it and witnessed it many times, Design Knob. So, uh, it wouldn't be the first time I was wrong, and it won't be the last time. It won't be the last time either. Okay, man. Okay, this is where if we reject off of this 760 area, then I'm interested in. All right, there she goes. This could be a V shape. It could. I don't think it is, but let's see. Okay, testing the 760s here. All you V-shaped buyers, you're doing great. Just hold on. Hold on, boys. Hold on. I mean, if we don't reject off of this, and if we make a move above the 790s, then I do feel like, okay, maybe we do make this V-shaped move. I could see it happening. It might take out Monday's high. So Monday's high was, oh man, let me look. Yeah, the 600s. Let's wait and see. See what we do here. The low is in. Trust me, design says. Oh dear. Oh dear. The battle lines have been drawn. All right. This is it right here. See if we can hold. If we consolidate a little bit here, I will take a short. I'm gonna follow through with what I said. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If this candle closes above 760s, then I will cancel this order. I'm only going in with 2 micros here. All right, I think we might cancel this one. Looks like we are going to close. Well, we still got 50 seconds left. Let's wait and see what happens. Sorry, I was on the wrong screen again. All right, here we go. All right, closing the order, and we wait. I mean, I love being wrong if I don't lose money. I love being wrong if I don't lose any money because of it. Trading ever after. How's it going? I think the low might be in. It could be. You guys could definitely be right. I'm not trying to go against you. I've seen this before. I don't know, that it just feels different. Feels like we're gonna go lower, but I might be wrong. Don't listen to me. You're personally waiting for 794. Yeah, I want to see what kind of reaction we get here at the EMA at the 797s. But wow, I mean, if you got long here down at the bottom at the 700s, it is a great trade. You're up 80 points. Definitely nothing wrong with that. Of course, the low is in. I got liquidated at 685.75. Oh, I'm sorry, Design Knob. I'm sorry, man. You're long from 717? Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. That's awesome. Hey, Carlos Roa. How we doing? Good morning. Good to see you. 794. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See, now I gotta take this. I gotta take it, folks. I can't help myself. This is just the rules. The rules are the rules. The rules are the rules. You know what? We're just going to lock that in. I don't need to get greedy here. Let's not get greedy on today's... Not today. We're just going to capture that 70 ticks. 70 tick profit. Hey, 70 ticks is 70 ticks. And let's see. We might rip here. If we rip back above, like now, okay, hear me out. Come on, Mark. If we don't make new lows here, and if we push back above this 780, 790, then I will change my thesis to longs. I will do it. Because then we have an actual failure to make new lows. We failed. So 4K, I need to work 2 months for this. Cremator. Hey, This is not real money until it's in your bank account. We all know this. It's got to be in your bank account before it actually counts. Because we all know things can change in a hurry. I've got a great idea. Leave a runner. Yes, that never fails. That never fails. Hey, Daryl, up 550 on 2 scalps. Let's go, Daryl. Yeah, right now with this kind of volatility, you can get some good moves. You can scalp 30, 40 ticks at a time. Up 550 on 2 scalps. That's awesome. I couldn't go long because I had to use the bathroom. Oh, no. The potty break got you. You hate to see it. We live in a virtual world, but my wife is real. I hope so. Oh, now I'm so tempted. Oh, I'm so tempted here. Nope, I'm not gonna do it. Man. I don't like those wicks. Hey, good morning, traitorous chick. How we doing? Good morning. What a day that will be. The bench will be forever marked. One day I'm going to put on a Speedo, sit on that bench, and send you the link. I don't even doubt it. I don't even doubt it. Interesting X post by Brian Stunk goes to a live account, has to sign 5 different documents. I saw that. I saw that PTV. Man, that's not a good look. I mean, again, it just more confirmation. Going to a live account with prop firms is just not a benefit. There's just no reason to do it. You're still holding one contract, gave back a lot unrealized profits on this pullback. I mean, you still, as long as we hold above the 740s, then I think the longs are safe. If we go down and we lose below the 730s, I think we go retest the lows. But this is looking good for the longs. Here we go. See if we can get a rip above that 760s. Man, can we take a minute, guys? Just, I mean, I don't like to do this, but can we take a minute to recognize the levels that I drew? This was drawn already 3 days ago. actually 4 days ago, on Monday. On Monday, I drew these levels. Look at this. We went precisely to the 960s. I mean, obviously, we went through quite a bit of levels here. And now we went precisely down to the 685s. Maybe I should just start trading my levels. Oh, that's pretty crazy. What are the odds? My thought process is if I draw enough lines, eventually one of them will work. My chart triggers your ADHD. All right, here we go. This is looking good for the longs. Now we need to break above that 780s. We gotta get above the 780s. We have to get above the EMA. I'm still a little skeptical on this move. I am very skeptical, but I love being wrong if I don't lose any money. If I lose money and I'm wrong, that's just not great. Wait, Matteo just rage quit? Trader on tilt? That's not cool. Hopefully everything's all right. I've done it. I've done it too. I've done it too. All right, market. 790s. There she goes. There she blows. Above the 790s. Who is... Hang on. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Hey, we've all gone through it, especially when you stream. It's not easy, and hopefully everything's all right. I'll reach out to him. Because I hate to see that, but I mean, I've been there. I've rage quit. Usually it's not a good sign. Usually if I rage quit, if you see me rage quit, it's because I'm about to go total AWOL and I'm about to go full tilt mode, and I just don't want you guys to see it. That's usually why I rage quit. So it's not a pretty sight. I'm telling you, no one wants to see it. Nobody wants to see that. Am I supposed to get an email verification that I have been approved for the payout I put in yesterday that shows approved as of this morning on the website? Yes, Lawrence, you should get an email. Sometimes it's a little bit delayed, but yeah, you'll get an email. But congratulations on your payout approval, Lawrence. Let's go. That's awesome. I suck even when I don't stream Trader on Tilt. Don't we all? Don't we all? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm going to take it. Going to be careful here. Got to be careful, though. Technically, got to be careful here. Okay, I don't like it. I don't like that. We did not break down far enough here. Technically, we need to break down below the 740 for me to get in there. That was me jumping the gun. That was me just jumping the gun way too soon. We killed it for a $40. That was a $40. That was 40 ticks. Jeez. I was like, that's a $10 loss. Nope, 40. Rip. That's the punishment you pay for jumping in early. That was a bad trick. That was a bad... But hey, we didn't compound it. We just closed it out. That's... Wow. That's a big rejection off of that 790. Did we touch the 800s here? High of this candle is 21,800.5. So we did touch the 800s right there. And now this is a trap. So this looks like a trap for the shorts. So it's a very interesting area right here. This is very, very interesting. If we, I mean, I think it could go both ways here. NQ aggressive buy at 750s. Yep. Right there on that candle there. It's right where I got in. I'm very glad I just got out of that one. Now, can we keep going? Man, see if this gets down below this 740s. Man, I feel like we have an actual setup short if we get down below the 750s, like 740s, 742s. There's also a chance that we go sideways right here. I wouldn't be surprised if we go sideways here. So we could see some consolidation. I don't want to really be trading in that consolidation area either. So especially when the volatility is this high, because you just get stopped out both directions. Hey, you finally closed. Good trade. 60 points. Let's go, Black Coffee. That's a good trade. That is a great trade. Ooh, this is very, very tempting. Getting very tempting here. Honestly, I almost never do this, but if I take this trade, I might size down to 1 micro. Okay, we're in. Now the plan is to test the lows. And be careful. Careful for a short trap here. That could happen. Starting to feel choppy. See if we get a continuation here or not. We might be in this trade for a while. We might be in this trade for a while. Really need this to break down below the 740s. Feel like if we break down below the 740s, then we could see this go retest the lows pretty quickly. But we got to get down through this. It's got to be a big move. Come on. Don't wick it. No wicks. No wicks allowed. That's exactly what I did not want to see. We're going to have to be patient on this one, guys. This one's going to take some time. I'm going to go get some water. I'll be right back. Let's see how the chair trades. It's not looking great. Come on. Hang on. Maybe I won't leave. I do not like how we did not. We literally came down, wicked exactly what I didn't want. Do I just kill it? This is the only time that I actually consider DCAing. Or I feel like DCAing is not a terrible idea. Because we're still like below this EMA, we're okay. If I would DCA, it would be right here. Gosh, I'm not a big fan of DCAing though. I'm just gonna kill it. I'm gonna get out. I just don't like the thought of DCAing right there, and then we'd rip higher. I don't like it. We take the L. We just take the L. I mean, I knew right here is going to be the important level. We just couldn't get it. We couldn't get through it. Watch. Now it's going to rip lower. I definitely need to go get a drink of water. Hang on. All right, we're back. All right, here we go. We are at the 780s. This is a very, very important level right here. I'm very glad that I just took my loss on that trade. I mean, I think it was okay it was an okay entry and everything, but we just did not get below that 740. I guess maybe a better entry would have been to wait for a break of that 730 area right here. Hey, here we go. Looks like you guys might be right. DCA cures everything. See? Right here, it's a perfect example of why I don't like to DCA. Now, instead of just having an $80 loss, now all of a sudden we'd be looking, or a $60 loss, we'd be looking at a $180 loss, and it's just not a good time. You're long from the 770s, Neil. Nicely done. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Like I said, hey, I don't mind being wrong. All right. I am wrong lots and lots of times. I love DCA. It's in my bones. Some of us just can't help it. The DCA. All right. It does look like this is looking. I mean, we're heading for VWAP. I'm tempted to buy these minor, like, now I'm tempted to buy these little pullbacks. It's tempting. But I'm still skeptical on this move higher. I really am. I'll tell you why I'm skeptical. If we do have V-shaped reversal moves, they don't take this long. See, now it wants to tempt me again to go short. I might have taken, this is painful. See, there it goes. There she goes. That was rude. Oh, man, that was rough. Oh, that was so hard to watch. I can't watch. I can't watch. Are you kidding me? I told you I didn't believe this move. I knew it. I was in too early. But you know what's funny? I probably would have gotten stopped out here if I would have DCA'd. I would have. My stop would have been above this candle, and I probably would have gotten stopped out barely to the tick, and then we would have rolled over, and I would be so mad right now, you have no idea. I would be so mad. Wow, this volatility is crazy. See, now is where I think we might actually, like, we didn't take out that 600 level, but man, this is some crazy volatility. Like, now actually I think we could do the V-shape move. I'd really, like, this is more what we will see. This is tempting me to jump in. Really? You couldn't fill me? Are you kidding me? All right, we might need to, okay. Woo, I was starting to get triggered. That was a scalp. That was a scalp trade, and I was starting to pucker up. Hey, professional day trader, not a bad idea. This market is starting to have the makings of a crazy day. Market is being crazy. Yeah, this is just very... Man, I'm so sad that I did not... I was so close to just entering here anyway. Like, I was literally just talking about that entry below the 730s, and I was too hesitant. Would have been a sick trade. Would have been a disgustingly sick trade. Imagine trading minis. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's crazy times. This market is cray cray. Our president is cray cray. I mean, that's probably true. Grant Thompson. You talk because Nutty don't want to enter trade, I guess. Honestly, it was just kind of it was too scary, I guess. I don't know. But I'm trying to think what I want to do now. This market's got me a little bit scared. If I'm just being completely honest, a little bit scared of this market right now. This is some crazy volatility. But again, like, see how we're just struggling to get anything going? Well, maybe we'll get something going here now. But one thing I've noticed on the V-shaped moves, when we have V-shaped moves, they don't consolidate like this as much. Usually they're coming down, and then we just keep going higher. Like, we just go straight back up. Where here, we came down, we just struggled. We consolidated we consolidated, and then just another huge drop. This drop was what? From the 790s all the way down to, what was the low of this candle? 613s. I mean, with 2 micros, that's insane. Let alone trading minis, but we don't do that here. But hey, if you caught it, that's awesome. Oh, I know, professional day trader. I mean, I remember, guys, like, I'm not even kidding. A year and a half ago, when you were trading NQ, like 20 ticks or 30 tick stop loss was like considered a big stop loss. Like, no joke. Now, I mean, 100 tick stop loss is honestly not, like, it's not crazy at all. 100 tick stop loss is really not, that might not be enough. That's how crazy this market has been. Right here, technically, I'm at the point where I needed to, I mean, this is like setting up again. I feel like I have to take it. But look at how big my stop has to be. I hate that. I don't even know that I want to be in this trade. I'm just gonna get it. Like, that's crazy. I did not realize that was that big of a look at, like, that's 200 plus ticks. This one candle. Yeah, I need to be. Hang on, I'm not in a trade. I don't know that I want to trade this, to be honest. Because if we all know how it can go. We all know what can happen when you start trading this. You get on the wrong side of one trade, and you look you look at your P&L and you're already down $600 or something. I mean, I probably killed this trade way early. This is going to rip lower now. This is also a sign that I need to call it a day because I'm not trusting my. It's too scary to trade. It's too scary. Yeah, really, Amelia? Oh man. Yeah, I'm not in my own head, but I just don't trust. I feel like I can't trust my setups here, but I probably should. Yep, look at that. Would have had a nice move. Would have been a nice trade, but it's crazy. It's just this volatility is really, really crazy. You probably get asked this a million times, but what trade entry management tools are you using to see graphs on my chart? Michael Ballman, I use, so the chart trader is the Affordable Indicators chart trader. There's a link in the description below if you want to support the channel. But that is what I use. And I really do like it. My account dashboard is also from Affordable Indicators, so yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking, guys, is quite honestly, I feel like considering everything, we traded pretty well today. This was definitely a very, I was stressed on this trade, but we held through it. We followed, and it was a great trade. Then we've taken 3 kind of bad trades in a row now, where I think it's one of those days where, hey, we just need to walk away on a green day is not a bad thing. Especially when you have this kind of volatility, even though it's so easy to talk yourself into, taking those couple more trades, it's not worth it. Not worth it. So I think actually I will. It's only 11 o'clock. I know, and that's the only thing. It's 11 o'clock, and now I'm like, man, if I end stream, what am I going to do? But we do have family coming. We do have family coming in today. Let me see when they're going to arrive. Looks like around 2 to 3 o'clock today, so... But, we can always go golfing. That's always an option. I can lock myself out and just chat. I feel like I waste people's time when I'm just here and no intention of trading. the other problem is, like, when I sit in front of the screen, you convince yourself all kinds of things. You convince yourself of all kinds of, hey, here's a good setup. Here's a good setup. Hey, Bobby Jones, David Huber. That's the exact dude. Let's go, Bobby Jones. That's actually my home course here in Florida. Bobby Jones. That's where I golf most of the time. You turn in just to hear the chit chat. Yeah, I mean, I love just chatting, but my problem isn't like that. My problem is that I'm still sitting in front of my screens. Like, that's the hard part, because you just talk yourself into this trade or that trade, and then all of a sudden you're like, wait a minute. I didn't want to lose $100 after I was up 200. So then you try to get it back. I have to get you at the Ritz. Bobby Jones is actually it's not the best course. Actually, yesterday I golfed at the Misty, well, what was that called? Misty Creek. Misty Creek is where I golfed at yesterday. That was actually a really, really nice course. Misty Creek Golf Club, Misty Creek Country Club is where I was at yesterday. I was pleasantly surprised. It was really nice. Wow, look at this. Yeah, this is almost more confirmation to walk away. I mean, look at these moves. Like, this is a 640 all the way up to the 720s. That is an 80-point move. That's 320 ticks. That's crazy. I do have a lockout button. Yes, I do. That is true. Hate to break it to you, bud. It's 1 day pass. You'll get the email tonight. Yes. Pass 50K Apex eval 5-day trade. You don't have to trade 5 days. Yeah. You can do it in 1 day. Apex is 1 day to pass. How do I lock my Apex accounts? For the day in Rhythmic. I'm not even... Can you do that on Rhythmic? I'm not sure. The course in Sarasota has 27 holes, and each day a different 9 are closed. I'm not sure, David Huber. I'm not sure. My pockets are deep enough to trade the volatility. Let's go, Steve. Oh, let's go. You can do it. Also, guys, I don't think my wife is listening. I'm pretty sure she's not listening right now. So I'm just going to share it with you guys, but tomorrow is my wife's birthday. And I'm so excited. I got big things planned tomorrow. It's going to be great. We are going to have a great day tomorrow. It's going to be great. Alpine has a setting on max loss goal limits in Rhythmic. Okay, awesome. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Matt, you are a dirty dog. See, right now I'm tempted. I'm tempted to go short right here. Yep. Oh, really? It's your birthday tomorrow too, Rob Freeman? For real? Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. I'm excited. I am excited. I'm going to do something tomorrow that I have never done before in my life. Psychologist said I have a nutty bar derangement syndrome because you were off more than a few days and my YouTube codependency kicked in bad. Is that what your psychologist said? Captain Crunch. Tell her to call me. Was this actually news related? Was this Trump talking about tariffs? Was it actually? Oh dear. This is also why trading in the overnight session is better, because you don't have to worry about Trump tweets. While Trump is sleeping is when we trade best. Okay, it was. Okay, interesting. Interesting. All right. I'm going to walk away, folks. I am going to walk away. I'm going to walk away because it's Friday. We have a nice green day. It's Friday. And everybody knows the weekend is just so much better when you end the day green on a Friday. Walk away, shut down the charts, and I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I'll go swimming or something. Or maybe we'll go play golf. It's always an option. But right now I don't have my vehicle because the wife took the truck shopping this morning and she's not back yet. She is not back yet. So we got to wait a little bit at least. Trump tweets go to the EMAs and the fibs. I know. Hey, I'm not kidding. Matt, someone needs to create an indicator. Okay? Someone needs to create an indicator that I can plug into my Ninja Trader, and like at the right here on the corner, it will just, like, as soon as Trump makes a tweet, it'll give me like a news flash alert, flashing news alert. So I know that there's a Trump tweet. We need it. We need it. Which trade copier do I use, Tire Sword? I use the Replicanto trade copier. That is what I use. All right, guys. I hate to leave so early. I really do. But I'm going to do it. And I'm going to walk away, shut it down, walk away a green day. I hope you guys are green. And we're going to walk away. We're one step closer. One step closer to that payout. The Tradeify accounts are getting very, very close. We are about $600 away. So I just, it's getting to be very clenching moments. So gonna try to just stay calm, make sure I follow my plan, and accept a loss if I need to. And hopefully the trades I enter, it just immediately goes to my profit target. That's what I'm hoping for. So we're gonna be definitely some butt clenching moments when we get very, very close to that amount. All right, guys. I really do appreciate you guys, but I'm gonna sign out here. We'll be back on Monday. Hope you guys all have a great Friday. I hope you have an awesome weekend. And we will be back. Take care, and God bless.